For today's makeup look, we're doing this soft, colorful pastel makeup look. I wanted to create a soft pastel look with all the colors of spring. And for this look, we're using the mixed fruit palette from Rude Cosmetics. Starting with the pink shade, putting it in the inner corners. And a little on the outer corners. Next, using the purple shade and blending that into the previous pink shade. With this look, I wanted colors to blend seamlessly and blending them so that you don't know where one color begins and ends. Next, going in with the blue and putting this above where we had the purple. And from the blue, blending into the light green. Then adding a bit of the yellow to the eyelid. And a little bit more blue next to the green on the outer side. Finishing with purple again on the end. Then extending some of that green underneath the eye. And filling in the waterline with white eyeliner. Then using a pink cream blush, I'm going very close to the eye look and sort of blending the pink blush into the purple. Combining the cheeks and eyes together. Then adding a bit of cream highlight. Then finishing the look with mascara and false lashes. And that completes this soft, colorful pastel makeup look. I really love how these soft pastel shades blend together so nicely and think this would be a perfect look for springtime. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.